Hey there, space explorers! Welcome to another thrilling journey through the cosmos. Have you ever wondered about the most mysterious objects in outer space? The ones that boggle the minds of scientists and ignite the imaginations of dreamers? Buckle up, because today we're going on an exciting adventure to explore black holes. These enigmatic entities are some of the most fascinating and perplexing phenomena in the universe. Imagine you're cruising in a super-fast spaceship, zipping past stars and planets. The vastness of space stretches out before you, filled with countless wonders and mysteries. Suddenly, you spot something strange, a region in space where everything seems to disappear. It's like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, sucking in everything around it. No light, no spaceships, not even your favorite snacks, just pure darkness. This eerie void is a black hole, a place where the laws of physics as we know them break down. That, my friends, is a black hole. A place where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape its pull. Not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can break free from its grasp. Ready to learn more? Let's blast off. Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their life cycles. This collapse creates a singularity, a point of infinite density, surrounded by an event horizon, the point of no return. The event horizon is the boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can escape. Once something crosses this boundary, it is lost to the black hole forever. If you were to get too close to a black hole, you would experience a process called spaghettification. The intense gravitational forces would stretch you out like a piece of spaghetti. Scientists study black holes to understand the fundamental laws of physics. They use advanced telescopes and simulations to observe and predict the behavior of these mysterious objects. Black holes also play a crucial role in the study of gravitational waves. These are ripples in space-time caused by violent cosmic events, like the collision of black holes. When two black holes merge, they send out powerful gravitational waves that travel across the universe. Detecting these waves helps scientists learn more about the nature of black holes and the fabric of space-time itself. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that out there, among the stars, lie these incredible cosmic mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Black holes are not just the stuff of science fiction. They are real, and they are a testament to the wonders of our universe. Our journey to explore black holes has been thrilling, but it's time to return to Earth. Keep your curiosity alive, and who knows what other cosmic adventures await us in the future. Until next time, space explorers, keep looking up and dreaming big. The universe is vast, and there is so much more to discover. Safe travels. Black holes are like cosmic vacuum cleaners, but instead of dust bunnies, they gobble up anything that gets too close, even light. They are regions in space where gravity is incredibly powerful, so strong that not even the fastest thing in the universe, light, can escape their grasp. Imagine squeezing an enormous elephant into something as tiny as an ant. That's how dense a black hole is. It's like a cosmic trapdoor, where once you enter, there's no coming back. So how do these cosmic vacuum cleaners form? Let's dive into the fascinating process that transforms a star into one of the most mysterious and powerful objects in the universe. They are born from dying stars much bigger than our Sun. These stars are often several times the mass of our Sun, making them true giants in the cosmic landscape. Imagine a star running out of fuel. Over millions of years, it has burned through its nuclear fuel, shining brightly in the cosmos. But eventually it starts to dim as it exhausts its energy reserves. It collapses under its own weight, squeezing itself into a tiny space. This process is incredibly violent and dramatic, as the star's core contracts and the outer layers are blown away in a supernova explosion. Boom! A black hole is born. This newly formed black hole is a region of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape from it. It's like when you deflate a balloon really fast. The air inside gets squeezed into a smaller and smaller space until it disappears. But unlike a balloon, the black hole doesn't just vanish. Instead, it becomes a point of infinite density, known as a singularity. Black holes are like the ultimate cosmic recyclers, turning old stars into something new and mysterious. They play a crucial role in the universe, influencing the formation of galaxies and the behavior of nearby stars and gas clouds. Their immense gravitational pull can even bend light, creating fascinating phenomena like gravitational lensing. These cosmic giants are not just destructive forces, they also help shape the universe. By pulling in matter and energy, they contribute to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that some of those twinkling stars might one day become the powerful black holes that keep our universe in balance. Black holes are the ultimate gravity champs of the universe. Their gravity is so intense that it creates an invisible boundary around them called the event horizon. Think of it as a point of no return. Anything that crosses the event horizon, spaceships, planets, even light itself, gets trapped forever. It's like a cosmic waterfall, where once you go over the edge, there's no swimming back up. Section 5. Peeking inside a black hole. A mysterious journey. What happens inside a black hole is one of the universe's biggest mysteries. Some scientists believe that everything gets squished into a tiny point at the center called a singularity. Others imagine it as a gateway to other universes or dimensions, like portals in a science fiction movie. It's like a cosmic puzzle that we're still trying to solve. Section 6. Fun facts about our universe's black holes. Black holes are some of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe. They have intrigued scientists and stargazers alike for centuries. Today, we're going to dive into some fun and mind-blowing facts about these cosmic enigmas. Black holes come in different sizes. They can be as small as an atom, or as large as billions of times the mass of our Sun. The smallest black holes are called primordial black holes, which are thought to have formed in the early universe. Some black holes are just a few times heavier than our Sun, known as stellar mass black holes. These are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their life cycles. On the other end of the spectrum, we have supermassive black holes, which are billions of times heavier than our Sun. These giants reside at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. And guess what? There's a supermassive black hole right at the center of our very own Milky Way galaxy. This black hole is called Sagittarius A, and it has a mass of about 4 million suns. Don't worry though, it's very far away and not going to swallow us up. In fact, it's about 26,000 light-years away from Earth, so we're safe from its gravitational pull. Black holes are like the ultimate cosmic mysteries, full of surprises waiting to be discovered. They have such strong gravitational forces that not even light can escape from them, which is why they appear black. Scientists are constantly studying black holes to understand more about their properties and the role they play in the universe. Who knows what other incredible discoveries await us in the depths of space? Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our universe. Section 7. Black holes on the move. Even though they have super strong gravity, black holes aren't just sitting still in space. They move around just like stars and planets. Sometimes they even collide with each other, creating ripples in space and time called gravitational waves. It's like a cosmic dance, with black holes as the ultimate dancers. Section 8. What if Earth had a black hole neighbor? Now you might be wondering, what if there was a black hole right next to Earth? Well, it would definitely make things interesting. The good news is that black holes are very far away, and there are no known black holes close enough to pose any threat to our planet. It's more likely that we'll continue to explore and learn more about these fascinating objects from a safe distance. Section 9. Keep exploring the cosmos. Black holes might seem scary at first, but they are a reminder of the incredible wonders that our vast universe holds. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that somewhere out there, these cosmic vacuum cleaners are busy at work, shaping the universe in ways we are only beginning to understand. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and who knows what other amazing discoveries await us in the vast expanse of space.